All right, I want you to close your eyes, and then that way, don't close your eyes because then you can't watch my video. But imagine that you could find a house for $570,000 that was 2,600 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, in a gated community with really low HOAs that was 4.6 miles from the beach, 4.6 miles from Flagler Avenue, 4.6 miles from amazing surfing, shops, boutiques, restaurants, seafood, that was less than an hour away from Cape Canaveral, one of the largest cruise ship terminals in the world, and about an hour to the attractions like Disney World, Epcot, Universal, Epic Universe, SeaWorld, and then take that, now open your eyes, hopefully they were open the whole time, and you don't have to imagine those things. It's right here in Copper Creek, 742 Copper Creek, and I'm under contract on this with somebody just like you that we close in 48 hours, and I'm here today to do a walkthrough while I show you guys, because my client is not in town, and so I'm doing the walkthrough for them because we close in 2 days, and so we're gonna do a walkthrough. I might as well walk through with you guys too and show you what $570,000 gets you in the beautiful new Smyrna Beach, one of the best surf towns in the state of Florida, and what MSNBC just rated one of the top 5 best places to buy in the state of Florida. So come join me with a tour of 742 Copper Creek, and let's see everything that you can get for a very little bit amount of money. All right, so here we are at our house. I'm sorry, I'm sweating like a maniac. It's almost Halloween, as you can see. We're driving around with some of the decorations, but it's still hot as Africa outside. So we are in a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square foot Ryan custom home. This place is awesome, super high ceilings. I want to just walk through very quickly and just kind of show you the setup of this, but for the price point of $570,000 in a gated community with HOAs at only $33 a month, this is a crazy smoking deal. Also, you're only 4.6 miles from the ocean, which means that you're only 4.6 miles from Flagler Avenue, about 7 minutes to Canal Street. So let's just walk around and take a look real quick. Come in the front bedroom. It's already painted a nice pink with nice blinds. This was the model home, so they're selling it as is. And actually, this is my client that's buying it, so I'll talk to you more about that in just a second. We have a guest bathroom that's available up front, that's available for both of these rooms. A second bedroom, and then we're gonna come back. We'll show our 3-car garage in a second. Have a nice utility space with a nice, I don't know, maybe folding clothes. I don't know what you do here, coffee maker, something like that. And then we have a great guest bedroom for short-term or long-term guests, because it's a larger room and it's got an ensuite bathroom, which is really nice and convenient to have. So let's go back up into the main area, or let's go into the main area. So again, nice high ceilings, smart home compatible. You can see the Ecobee. Actually, I want to go back real quick. So we see our Ecobee air conditioning thermostat, but I want to go back and show that this home is completely smart home compatible. I'm going to show you this in the primary closet. Cameras and door openers and light switches and security and all that kind of stuff. So fully smart home compatible. Nice hard surface floors. Rachel talked about hard surface floors being great in Florida all the time. Great flex space here, probably an office. The client has a child that is homeschooling, so that's gonna be a perfect area for her. And then look at this wide open space. I mean, unbelievable. Plenty of opportunities to do whatever you want. The cable connection's here, but these days you can do a cable connection wherever you want. So just really nice, huge open space. Again, this is a model home, so it does come with the curtains. Big open kitchen area, really nice stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, gas, which we love in Florida, and a great dining space. So just really big. Again, this is just shy of 2,600 square feet, and this house is closing for $570,000 in 48 hours. So I'm actually here doing 2 things. I'm shooting a video for you guys to see what you can get in Copper Creek for this much money, but I'm also doing a walkthrough for my client because she's out of town. And so they were doing one last hurrah before they closed on the place, and so I'm doing the walkthrough while I show you guys what we have to offer. Huge primary suite, nice tray ceilings, nice big windows all around and throughout. And then we go into our primary bathroom, double vanity sink, which is great. Makeup area, I'm guessing. I'm a dude. A lot of natural light, which I know that women do like. So in the shower area, only thing about this place, honestly, the only thing that I thought could have been done better is look how big this space is. Okay, I'm 205 pounds and 6'2". This is a big space, and I don't know why they didn't put a shower head up here, like a rain shower. So that's the only thing, because I love this house. I think it's amazing. And that's something that can be done pretty inexpensive. So again, I don't show the primary closet that often, but I did want to show because this is a smart home compatible. And these are extra things. Again, $570,000, 2,600 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and a gated community with HOAs at $33 a month. That's crazy. And so to get all these extra things, I do want to showcase it. So we have all the wiring and everything to make this thing smart home compatible. So we can do speakers in the ceiling. We can do, I know that there's window sensors on and door sensors on. You can do an alarm system. You can do cameras, a plethora of anything. And so this is all here, which is nice, honestly, to have back kind of away from everything else. So just, again, I want to showcase little things because people tell me all the time, listen, when I say I get phone calls, emails, text messages, and Zoom invites every day from people like you, I'm not playing around. I really do. And so part of the conversations that I have with people is like, I never thought I could afford to live in a place like this. I never thought I could afford to live somewhere really close to the beach. I never thought I could afford something in Florida in general. This is $570,000. It's a brand new build with all the warranties, 10-year home builder's warranty, home warranty as well through First American Title, and just a plethora of stuff, plus the little details like, being a model home, the fact that you get curtains and the curtain rods and things like that. That's a huge time saver. If you've ever moved into a home and you're probably, no offense ladies, but the husbands are probably putting in the curtain rod, this is a whole day event. This is not an easy thing. To sort of have some of these things in this great home is a bonus. So $570,000, you get a lot of bang for your buck in a gated community. And how awesome is $33 a month with HOA? So you can't beat that. Again, we're 4.6 miles from the ocean, 4.6 miles from Flagler Avenue. We're about 5 minutes to I-95, so this is a great commute. We're less than an hour away from the attractions. Daytona Beach is about 25 minutes away. We have Home Depot and Publix, which is about 7 minutes away. Canal Street's about 8 minutes away. So I'm just naming some of the things that just pop into my head at the top of my head. An amazing location right across from Sugar Mill Country Club. This place is awesome, a lot of bang for your buck. All right, so let's check out the 3-car garage real quick because I want to point out a couple different things real fast. Actually, before we go to the garage, I'm going to stop in the utility closet. So I was able to negotiate, because again, this is my plant that we're buying for. I was able to negotiate the washer and dryer. Again, every little bit counts, so we're able to get that. We have our air conditioning closet here. So a brand new carrier system. One thing you're going to notice about the utility closet that it doesn't have, there is no water heater. This house comes with a tankless water heater, which is also a huge upgrade, about a $5,000 upgrade. Tankless water heaters outside. Great thing with tankless is they don't hold water, so there's no risk of any kind of flooding from the water heater, which is obviously a plus. But again, for $570,000, I want to say all the different things, all the different benefits and upgrades that you're getting for that amount of money. And then, look, we talk all the time about New Smyrna Beach. It's hard to find garage space. Look how much space you had. Easy enough room for 2 cars, plus a golf cart, because this is a great golf cart community. There's only one entrance and one exit, which is right here, and it's gated. And Sugar Mill Country Club is literally across the street, so you can take your golf cart from here and go all the way over to Sugar Mill, go and get a country club membership over there, play tennis, play pickleball, play golf, all from right here, taking your golf cart over there. Another great benefit about Copper Creek. Okay, great. Thanks for joining us today for our tour of Copper Creek. This place is awesome. Again, we're just 5 minutes off of 95. We went through the 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that's 2,600 square feet, $33 a month HOAs, which is super, super inexpensive, especially in New Smyrna Beach. You get a gated community with a 3-car garage. You're 4.6 miles from the beach and everything the beach has to offer, as well as the restaurants and boutiques and things like that. Imagine this. This is a great, great, great deal. For under $600,000, you can have all this stuff and all the amenities in New Smyrna Beach, one of the best beach towns in the state of Florida, and I will say probably in the world, because I live here and I sell real estate here. So listen, I get phone calls, emails, text messages, Zoom invites every day from people just like you wanting to move to the beach. So whether that be in 2 days, 20 days, or 200 days, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to help you move to the beach. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you get all the updates and notifications about New Smyrna Beach and all the surrounding areas. Until next time, thank you so much.